Bereavement means the period of sadness and grief after losing someone you love. In simple words, bereavement equals feeling sad after someone dies. What does bereavement mean in daily life? Bereavement happens when a family member dies, a close friend passes away, someone important in life is lost. During bereavement, people usually feel sadness, loneliness, emotional pain. Very easy examples. He is in bereavement after his grandfather passed away. She took leave due to bereavement. More simple sentences. Bereavement affects emotions deeply. Friends support people in bereavement. Bereavement is a natural feeling after loss. Daily life situations. Companies may give bereavement leave for employees. People often get counseling during bereavement. Family and friends help each other during bereavement. Student-friendly sentence. I felt deep sadness due to bereavement in my family. Important point to remember. Bereavement is not just sadness. It is the process of grieving and coping with loss. Easy memory tip. Bereavement equals sadness after losing someone.